Welcome back everybody, and today's video is going to be the start of our unboxings. Our unboxings are starting to come in for the month of March, and today we're going to be unboxing a Boxycharm, which is what I have here. If you guys want to know all the good details about this box, I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description box so you can find everything in there, because I know you guys love to keep this short and sweet, so let's get started. I don't know if you guys follow Boxycharm on Instagram or on Snapchat, but I do know that a bunch of influencers were at Punta Cana, I think it is. I know they were in Mexico, and they were collaborating with Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics. So I do know that we're supposed to be getting something of Pure Cosmetics. I believe it's an eyeshadow palette, but we're gonna get looking into it together. So first thing we have here is called Vacation, which makes sense, right? And that is the theme for this month. And then on the back side, as always, they always have all the information that's going to be inside the box, what it retails for, and how to use it if you are unaware. So the very first thing I see in here is this beautiful blush. This is by the company Pretty Vulgar, and this retails for the price of $26. Beautiful shade. I'm so happy they went in with something neutral like this, because this is something I would definitely wear. I am living for this packaging. It's so gorgeous, and glad that they went in with something neutral, something wearable for just about everybody. Nothing too crazy. And just to let you guys know, this is in the shade Hush Blush. The next item we have in here is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and this here is by the brand Butter London, which I know them more so from nail polishes, but I do know that they also have a makeup line, but I have not tried any of their makeup actually. This is something I'm definitely going to try. If you guys watch any of my tutorials, I have very small lashes, so anything that claims that I can't even get this open. These sorts of wands are pretty common for anything that's going to give you thickness and volume. So this is something I'll definitely try out. Like I said, anything that claims that it'll curl my lashes, I'm all for. So the next box I have in here is by South Main, and these are a set of 3 eye gel packs, which are supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. And this retails for $10. Want to know something? I actually own a few of these from different companies, and I guess I just don't see anything different. Like, I don't know. But we'll try it out, right? I mean, we'll try it out. Okay, so the last thing I see in here, which I want to say is by Pure Cosmetics, which it is in this packaging. This here is the Pure Cosmetics in collaboration with Boxycharm. It is a eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. Clean, simple, and you can see that there are little like raised hearts that are kind of embedded into this white part of the packaging. Oh, that's beautiful. This here, beautiful colors, super warm tone, as you guys can see, and you got a nice purple in there, a nice blue. I feel like when everybody is thinking about spring, everybody adds like a pop of blue in there, right? Like, I just always see that. You guys know me, we're gonna test out this purple, right? Gotta see what it is. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's test out the blue. I'll do better swatches for you guys, but that is a vibrant blue. This is really fun. I feel like there's a lot of really good things that you can create with this palette. Again, just really springtime and really pretty. So really pretty. So the last thing in our box, for a second there, I thought we were only getting 4 things, but my card read 5, is the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this is a smoky eye makeup brush set, and it comes with a set of 3 brushes, and it retails for $32.15. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm always willing to try out these brushes. I do love that they gave you like an easy eyeshadow sweeper. They gave you something to smudge the lower lash line or the top lash line, and then something for the crease area. So just basic 3 brushes that definitely can use for just about anything, super multi-purpose. So that there is what we're getting for the month of March from Boxycharm. I want to know your guys' thoughts, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever it is for you guys out there. Have a great time. Make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye.